fellas and ladies, Survival X, and today we're going to talk about a Browning knife. Now, I've done one Browning knife. I don't know if I'm going to promote this one before the other one, but not necessarily promote, but try them out, should I say. So this is going to be the Longhorn Browning knife. See it? See it, fellas and the ladies? This is at, I think it said 7C steel or stainless steel. Now, the blade itself is actually covered in titanium. It could go both ways. I remember the Survival Man Les Stroud, one of my idols, and it should be yours too, that you never want a titanium blade like cover, only because in the sunlight you can't reflect it, use it for signal and all that. So I think he always said he liked stainless or some kind of other metal besides titanium. But we're going to give it a shot today. Another thing is, too, is this right here, the handle is rubberized. And it actually feels good. It feels like it can take a lot of shock absorber. Did I say? Yeah, I said it right. Anyway, so the other Browning knife I did is, it was a fixed blade full tang. And that surprised me only because I don't think Browning stuff, not the guns, but the other stuff, like the flashlights and all, they're not very good quality. They sell them on because of this symbol right there, the Browning symbol. This is a folding lock knife, got a clip on and all that. Don't really have a good edge out of the package, not like a more knife edge or anything like that. It does have an edge. So we're going to give it a few times chops a day, and I actually going to bring back my old friend, the old coconut. So we're going to do a coconut chops a few times. I'm not going to really stab it. It's got a stab point. We might stab it too. So here we go. This right here is going to be the old coconut chop. Now this coconut here, I think I got it from Food Line. That's usually where I get all my coconuts from. Only because a lot of places don't have them no more. And these right here, I don't think this is actually a good coconut. I think this might be actually dried up because I don't feel any liquid in it. But a lot of places doesn't sell coconuts. Well, this is the dead of summer, but still, Food Line is the only place I can find them. Even Walmart's or Bilo or Kroger, wherever you're from, don't sell coconuts. So let's give it a shot. And I'm gonna probably try to slice it 2 times or hit it like that 2 times. Now, if it breaks first time, of course, I can't really do it. So let's give it a shot. Enough talking. Let's do some chopping. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see that. Right there where my thumb tips at. There is a little mark in it. It's not really any mark. Stay in the blade, keeps the edge. Let's try that again. Alright. Still, a little mark right there. See a little mark? Let's do it one more time. I said 2 times, but let's do it 3 times. You know I really can't count anyway. Yep, stay. I got a feeling that was the best hit I can do. Once again, a little mark, but the actuality, what I'm trying to test is the blade, and it's still got an edge. Now I'm gonna try to shave some tree off. Not tree. Can't shave a tree. Try to start, get a little tender bone and all that with the blade. So I'm gonna do that in a moment. But I'm gonna stab it and see what happens. I already know I'm gonna get comments. I'm gonna hurt myself. Well, it is what it is. I'm kind of scared though, a little bit now. Oh well. Survival X. Alright. Let me pause it, let me go grab it and see what happened. The little brown spot where my thumbnail's at. That's what it did. A little chunk. Once again, nothing. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Stay. Alright. The tip And I wish I kind of looked at it, but can't really show it in the camera that great. There's a little, looks like it's a little bent. Like, this is not what it's designed for. It's not designed to do this. But you can't really see it here, but there's a little bent on the end. So, let's do it again. Let's see if we can make that bit a lot bigger. If you can tell, I'm not a... Never mind, I don't want to talk bad about Browning. So let's give it a shot again. Let's go. Alright. So, honestly, I don't know where I cut it at. I know I didn't do the same spot. So, I don't know about that. Let's look at the tip. I think that tip's been like that though. I don't know if it really did anything to the tip. I guess it's good. Cause it's a little off. I can't really show you on the camera. Can I get closer? Nope, ain't gonna help. But anyway, it looks like it hold up. So let me go get some tinder and see if it's still sharp enough to make a tinder bundle. All right, it's okay. We still do some shaving. I would say yes. Now this wood is. Now this wood here. Let me do a better camera, okay? This wood here is actually old, but if you can tell, it's shaven. Still shaved, still got a good edge. So, hey, Brownie, you surprised me again. Let's go from here. Alright, so the overview for this right here, I'm going to make it short for you. Once again, Brown surprised me. This is a good knife. Now, I may have lost a little edge with the coconut chop, but it's still cut like it's supposed to and did tender and probably does quite a lot of things. Now, that being said, the only few things I have drawbacks on that you may could fix it. I would say that blade is somewhat hard to open up at first. So you got to put a little pressure behind it. Now I do like it how it's got two knobs for each side. Being a left-hander, it's hard to find knives that way. But it's still got that. I gotta push it out, which some people may like that. I just wish it was just a tad bit smoother. Another thing is too, this is a good knife to keep in your backpack, but it won't be probably a good knife to keep in your pocket. This knife, it's got some size to it. So you put it in there and you have your cell phone, your keys, or whatever else you carry in your pocket. If you're in the South, 9 out of 10 chances probably a gun. Another thing too I do like is this thumbnail. Well, it don't work that way. I thought it would. But the handle, I like the handle. It's like I said, there's a rubber to it, and it's a great handle. Now, this would be a great one to put in your tackle box if you go fishing or something like that. But the edge hold up. Oh no, that's not it. The edge hold up good. Like it's no dents, cracks, not dents. You ain't gonna have a dent in your knife. What I'm saying, anyway, no chips, nothing like that's wrong with the blade. Good steel. Browning knife once again surprised me, and that should be on this.